Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
The very best and good thing about SB19 is they're real and a human. Because they make feel to their fans that they're a real human. They need a relax and rest time after busy and hectic schedule. Ken or Philip, he is the one who opened up about this. He said in quote, "We are only a human, we need the time to relax and have a quality to ourselves and coot." But SB19 is very thankful and grateful for all their fans.
Parang, ano lang, may spend talaga ako ng time na mag-relax. Kasi, yun lang yung time talaga na makapag-relax. So, kasi sobrang busy natin eh. So, pag uwi ng bahay, talagang papahinga agad ako. Ganun. So, as much as possible, maaga rin matulog. Ganun. Para may energy.
Recently, nagiging ano ka na a morning person.
Para kasi ngayon kasi parang gusto ko na na-realize ko na ang dami mong nagagawa sa isang buong araw pag maaga ka gumigising. May time ako magluto, makapag-grocery pa ako. Yun yung mga bagay na na-enjoy ko ngayon eh. Aside from naglalaro kami.
Alam mo tawag dyan? Adulting.
Pero hindi naman siguro. I mean, kung nakatira ka na mag-isa ka, adulting na rin yun eh.
Totoo yan. Pero kung pambinsa kasi diba, parang iba na yung
siguro realization na.
Enjoy.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.